every day एक अलग situation आ जाती है and we have to deal with it in different ways. मैं खाने की बात कर रहा था यार. Don't get so stressed out. Dim sum, momos, gyozas. Normally हम क्या खाते हैं इसके साथ? With dim sums, we normally get a very spicy kind of sauce. Soy sauce खाते हैं, or we do a combination. But I have found an amazing sathi, a companion for my dim sum. Best accompaniment for dim sum for me now is Ching's Dragon Fire Chutney. Whoa! Lovely. Well, I'm going to eat this a little later, but I have a fabulous recipe for you. I'm actually making an Aloo Cheese Toast, but with the Dragon Fire Chutney. So, थोड़ी सी preparation कर लेते हैं. So we have some coriander here. Beautiful. I have some chilies. Though ये जो Chings की जो Dragon Fire Chutney है, it's pretty hot. But I always like to add a little bit of fresh element to it. So आलू हमारे पास pre-boiled, steamed, roasted, whatever you like to do. Next, let's make our aloo bhaji first. So let's start with our aloo bhaji. So हल्का सा जीरा डाल दिया हमने, थोड़ी सी राई. It's time to add our green chilies as well. Okay, lovely. Boom, some curry patta. So all you students and young chefs, are you watching? By the way, this was one of the first dishes I made when I learned how to cook, and it was a disaster. Next, we're going to add our aloo. Beautiful. बिल्कुल rustic, बिल्कुल mom की तरह. Brilliant. Lovely. Beautiful. अभी normally people put jeera, dhania, I mean lots of things. I'm just going to put two things. थोड़ी सी हल्दी तो बनती है. Salt, of course. Lovely. और फिर हमारी Chings की Dragon Fire Chutney. Yes, you got that right. आप सोचे अरे शेफ तू इसमें भी डाल रहा है. बड़ी ये मेरा साथी हो गया ये. So 1 and 2 depend आपको कितनी स्पाइसी चाहिए, लेकिन 2 I think it's good. और इसके साथ चीज, वहां पे मेरे ब्राउन ब्रेड. Oh, amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bang. सब्जी ready. अभी some fresh coriander ready. अभी हम इसे थोड़ा सा mashings कर लेते हैं. And whenever your mom makes this, you know what you can do? Take the sabji from her, add some Dragon Fire Chutney, boom, you got this recipe right then. So now, let's kind of cool this down a little bit. Beautiful. The party doesn't stop, does it? So next, we need to toast our bread a little bit. जब मैं अपनी sandwiches बनाता हूँ, I like to lightly seke out my bread, so that जब वो हल्के से सेकते हैं, after that you put in your spread, your filling, and उसके बाद you pan fry it. वो that crispiness जो आती है ना, it's just another level. Well, that's a chef step. You know what I'm saying? अभी हम बनाएंगे हमारा Dragon Fire Chutney butter. Beautiful. Unbelievable, superb. The choice of bread is exactly up to you. I like brown bread. Okay, I like multigrain bread. I like brown bread, so I'm using that one. So we're just going to give this thoda sa sek. Okay, yeah, beautiful. So I'm putting my Dragon Fire Chutney butter first on the bread as a spread. So we have this really nice delicioso butter here. Now let's build the sandwich and then grill it later. So I'm going to be putting my cheese slice here. So I'm using different kinds of cheese. You know what? आजकल घर पे people have different kinds of cheese. Okay. I like to experiment with cheese. जो भी चीज आपको पसंद है ना, basically वही use कर लो. Let's put in our filling. Lovely, look at that. And this Dragonfire Chutney has made our sabzi and other next level types, okay? तो अभी final cheese की topping हो जाएगी यहाँ पे. I've got a nice hot pan there. Beautiful. आलू सब्जी sandwich. Next, अभी हम इसे थोड़ा सा सेक लेते हैं. Lovely. Lovely, awesome. Unbelievable. और हमारा चिंग्स का ड्रैगन फायर चटनी सैंडविच आलू के साथ रेडी.